Hello students. So in this session we will solve some numerical problems on critical path method. So here example 1 network is shown here. So from P to X the network is given. In this network here the dotted lines, you can see the dotted lines are also given. That means these are dummy activities. For this problem we have to identify the critical time duration. So first of all, starting from the activity P to the X, these are the two, which is the starting activity and this one is the ending activity, right? So we have to take the number of critical paths, right? What are the number of paths along this following net? So the possible paths we have to identify, right? First one path and second one duration. Okay, so the first one P Q T W X, right? This is the first part, P Q T W X. Okay, so P followed by Q followed by T followed by W followed by X. Okay, right? This is the first part. Then what about the second one? Right, P followed by Q, and from Q there is a dummy activity in between the Q and U, right? This is the dummy activity. So dummy, after dummy activity has gone to U, then W, then X. Okay, this is the second part. Okay, the topmost part is completed. Come to the middle one. So starts from P, after it follows R, and it follows the dummy, and it follows U, it follows W, it follows X, right? And the next one P follows R, follows dummy. So from R to V there is a dummy, right? Next V, dummy follows V, and V follows X. Okay, and there is another one P which follows S, S follows V, and V follows X. Okay, these are the 5 different paths. Okay, right? Check, is there any path possible? Okay, we have taken all the possible paths here. Now we have to calculate the duration. Okay, so the first part P Q T W X, the time duration as given at the bottom of the arrow mark. So for each of the activity, if P is the activity, time duration is available. Take down the time durations 2 plus Q T W X. So Q 3 days plus 5 days plus W 3 days plus X 2 days. So what is the value here? It is 5 plus 5 10 15 days. Okay, next one. So P 2 plus Q 3 days plus dummy activity doesn't carry any time duration, so it is 0, and U W X, so U carries 3 days and W carries 3 days and X carries 2 days. So what is the time duration here? 5 plus 5 10 13 days. Okay, next P, it carries 2 days and R carries 4 days plus dummy carries 0 and U W X, so U carries 3, W carries 3 and X carries 2. How many? So 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 14 days, right? Next one, it starts with P. So P plus it follows R. Okay, R carries 4 days and W carries 0 and V X. Okay, so V carries 2, X carries 2. So how much it is? 6, 6 plus 4, 10 days. Okay, the last part. So P it carries 2 and S it carries 3. Next V 2 days. Next X 2 days. Okay, how much? 9 days. So what is the maximum duration among all these paths? So which path has got maximum time duration? So obviously this one. So 15 days is the maximum duration we have got along the path PQTWX. So that means this particular among all these available paths we have determined from this network, the critical that means the critical time duration is how much? 15 days. So critical duration is equal to 15. Hello students. So this is the second example we have. So this is one of the problem given in the previous papers. So this was given in 2017. So this problem. So in this problem you have to calculate the critical path for this following network. So here the number of activities are given from 1 to 9. Okay, 9 activities are given in a network. And duration for each activity is also given, and the activity proceedings, that means one after one arrow marks also given. So which one is following, which one is before, that one also given. So for first primary purpose we have to give the naming for this particular activities. So starting from the 1, so 1 to 2, let me give you the name A and B, C. Okay, then D, E, F.
Okay, and one more thing, what would be the timings of classes?
G,
Civil engineering.
H, I, J, K. Okay, I have given the names for each of the activity from A to K. Okay, right? So now our target is to find out the critical path, right? So we have to name the possible paths and their duration. Okay, so we have to calculate path along with the duration, right? So starts with A here. Okay, so first one here, A follows E and E follows F, F follows K, right? This one is the first path, right? Next, A follows E, follows G, follows J, follows K. Okay, this one A, E, G, J, K. Okay, this is the second part. Right? Then next one starts with B. So B follows D, follows I, follows F, follows K. Okay, so B, D, I, F, K. You have to see the arrow mark compulsory. up to which it is going, right? And the next one starts with B again. So B, it follows D, and this one is completed, right? Come to this side. So it is H, and H follows again J, and J follows finally K. Okay, and one more path is left for us. That one is the last one. That is C. So C follows. Here we forgot to name this activity. So A B C D F G H I J K. So let me give you L. Okay. So C follows L, and L follows again. L follows I. I follows F. F follows K, and again starts with C. C follows L. L follows I. I follows G. G follows J. J follows K. Okay, so C, L, I, G, J, K. Okay, this is the path. Okay, look carefully. Next, C follows L, follows H. With I, there are two possible paths, right? So the two paths are completed. So after I, the L follows H, right? So H, again H follows J, J follows K. This is the last and final path. Okay, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 paths. Okay, calculate the durations. So A carries 5 and E 4 days plus F 7 days plus K 2 days. How much? So it is 18. Okay, next second part 5 plus 4. So E value 4. And what about the G here? G carries 4 days. Next J and K. J 5 days, K 2 days. So how much it is? So 5 plus 4, 9, 18, 20 days. Okay, next one. B 6 days and D 3 days. Next I, F, K. So I value 6, F value 7, K value 2. 6 plus 7 plus 2. Okay, how much it is? So it is 9, 15, 22, 24 days. Okay, then the fourth one 6, D value 3, and what about the H value? 8, and J value 7, J value 5, and K value 2. Okay, how much? 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 7, 24. Okay, next fourth one. C carries 5 days plus L 3 days plus I, F, K. So I value 6, F value 7, and K value 2. Okay, so 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 9, 14 plus 9, 23. So 23 days. So we have got 5, and here we have got 5, 7. We have got the next one, C. Starts with C, it carries 5 days, and next L, it carries 3. Next I carries 6 days, and G carries 4, and J and K. So J is 5 and K is 2. So it is the time duration here. So 8, 14, 18, 23, 25. Next, C carries 5 and L carries 3, H carries 8, J carries 5 and K carries 2. Okay, so 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 2, 23. So we have calculated all the time durations for these following paths we have identified from this network. So by observing these all paths, the critical part is the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth one, right? So this is the part which gives the maximum time duration, that is 25 days. Okay, so the critical part is, so C L I G J K, and duration is how much? 25 days. Okay, so this slide we have to do the problem. Whatever the network he has given, observe the arrow marks and observe the name the activities. Then only you can easily draw the paths, available paths. Okay, by observing by following arrow marks given here. So this is the problem, example number 2, and we will meet with another topic in the next session. Thank you.